timeline of Tesla's catastrophes in recent months. The year 2024 started off complicated for Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk, with the electric vehicle maker's shares plummeting more than 35%. This represents a great loss from the massive gains the company made in 2023. The stock is currently at its lowest levels since January, and Tesla is one of the biggest losers in value on the S&P 500, closely followed by Boeing. How did we get to this point? In January, Tesla warned of slower sales growth, which raised investor concerns about demand and competition coming from China. Elon Musk then announced that the company would focus on producing a new vehicle model. On that day, Tesla's stock saw the biggest percentage drop in more than a year, with a loss of $80 billion in market value. It was like a record. In addition, we had price reductions in a row. At the beginning of the year, Tesla reduced the prices of the Model 3 and Model Y in China. The company also reported a slowdown in shipments to China, which spooked investors and pushed the stock price even lower. In February, prices were cut in the United States for the Model Y, less than a month after the drop. In March, the situation worsened, with the company's deliveries falling 20% from the previous quarter, marking the first annual drop since 2020. It's worth mentioning that deliveries are the closest approximation to sales that Tesla reports, but communications with shareholders aren't precisely defined, so it's an estimate. In April, the company announced the layoff of 10% of its employees and the departure of a key executive after 18 years at the manufacturer. Despite all this bad news, Elon Musk has tried to bring a bit of optimism, announcing that the long-awaited robot rates will be unveiled in August. But that may not be enough to change the bearish view of the market. With all this, Wall Street is very bearish on Tesla. Last year, more than 60% of analysts recommended buying companies, but now only 32% maintain that recommendation. Over 44% suggest holding onto the shares and 23% recommend selling, a score rarely seen before. What are the next steps Tesla should take? They basically need to reaffirm Model 2, reaffirm the significance of the low-cost cycle in Tesla's portfolio, and propose a strategy for the next 6 to 12 months. It can't just be a trust me. Autonomy will return so that you in 2030 will be pleased with the shares.
Leave your ideas and questions in the comments. I'd love to chat about the video's topics. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Suggestions for the next videos which make total sense for you to watch are popping up here now. I will see you guys in the next video. See you soon.